For reference, I do have Galaxy ZFlip 5, and then now I got the 7. Okay, and I got mint. Let's open this bad boy. Oh my god, I'm trying to like make it so aesthetic. There we go. Oh,
Snot girl, I think you dropped something. My jaw.
oh my god! It is so cute. Look at that. Look at that! Okay, I can't even tell there's a dip there. What the hell? Cameras are definitely bigger. Look at the camera difference. Without further ado, you can't even tell there's a crease in there. I kind of want to close it. Okay, this is the first time I'm closing this. Look at that difference. This is the whole screen. It is all over the phone. Okay, now that I've closed it, let's see. You could kind of see, but it is not as much as this one. You could see the divot. So if you have any questions on any of these phones, let me know. I've had my Z5 for 2 years and I finally upgraded to the 7.